Okay guys, in this video I can review my assembled power amplifier mono OCL 150 watts. Okay, first I use the transformer 5 amperes and 12 volts. I use 12 volts. The transformers look smaller than actual size. Okay, then I use the 5 amperes diode bridge. Okay, then I use the Elco 4600 microfarad and 50 volts. Okay, then I use the Final transistor. Look, that's 3055 and 2955 TIP. Okay, I use the variable resistor B100K. Okay, in this RCA socket, and this speaker terminal socket. Okay, and I use the 115 watts and 8 ohms X impedance speaker. Is the size 6-inch. Okay, let's just try. A boost is here. Maybe because I use obsolete variable resistor. It's not good. Okay, let's play. Ouch. Maybe it's broken. Okay, let's play again. It's broken. It's broken jack. Okay, when the music is playing, the hum is not heard. But I stopped the play music. It's very bassy. It's very hum. Yes, I use the obsolete, the variable resistor. I can replace it. See? It's a broken. It's very silent hum. Okay, I can play again. Enjoy it. Whoa. Amazing, man. Okay, thanks for watching this video. And see you next time. Okay.